Hello family, hello. So today we're gonna make hair butter. You know, hair butter is very important for hydration, for moisturizing, and I will go with those ingredients that you are seeing here. Then we have onion. Onion is very good for the hair. You know, people doesn't use onion like that because of the smell, but I have a trick, a hack, so that you can just add, you see, citrus to make the smell of the onion away, so you can get rid of the smell of the onion with citrus juice. So that's why I add citrus. And I have ginger and I have carrot. So those 4 ingredients are very good and they will make our hair to grow like crazy. So then let's just start. I chop the ingredient already, and now we're just gonna blend them. And so here we have it. So just gonna add it into our fry pan and let it boil. So there it is. And now we're just gonna add some oil. And it's okay. So we're gonna start with castor oil. Then I'm gonna add almond oil. Then papaya oil. All those oils are very good for our hair. Then grapeseed oil. Oh, the papaya oil is smelling so good, so gorgeous. And at the end I will go and add jojoba oil. It's like every oil you can add like 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of each oil, and it's good. Wow, smells so good, so gorgeous. So now we're just gonna leave it boil. Then the oil will come up, then we just gonna off the fire after and then extract our oil. That is so on our fire. So, and by the processing of making on the fire, you don't have to make the fire too high. You can put it like that kind of 3, 4, 3. So then see you later. So there it is. The water is drying and the oil will come out. gonna extract the oil. Oh, look at this. And you need a good sheet cloth like this one. Those sheet cloth are very good. I bought them by Amazon. I will put the link below so that if you need it, you can go and get your own. Okay, so now for our border we need shea butter also. Then I have my shea butter here inside. I will make like double boil method so that the butter will melt. Okay, so that is our oil. So now I'm just gonna add you remember shea butter. Mix everything. That is to make our butter. Butter is oil and shea butter, mango butter, cucumber butter, any butter of your choice. So now it is. So then now I'm just gonna add my essential oil so that when the mixture is solidified, I just have to mix everything. And I add peppermint, very important. I have lavender. So then I'm just gonna add 3 essential oil. I'm gonna add my rosemary. You don't have to miss. So then the last one is my vitamin E. I add 2 because every time I'm doing my butter, when I make this one, when I'm swapping it, then if I add the essential oil at the end, then the mixture will be sometimes very soft. That's why I don't like. Then better I make it like this. Then now we're gonna put it in the fridge, in the freezer, and then come and swap it. Okay, see you later. So now the oil is, can you see, it's strong but not too strong. It's good like this and smell amazing. Wow, so yet we have it. Look at this, very nice. I love the texture. Look at this. The butter is it's nice. Oh my gosh, it's like ice cream. we just have to add it in our boxes. I have this and I have this one. So now those are 2 bottles of butter. Look at the way the butter is. Oh, I love the texture, and it's not smelling at all for onion or something like that. Just very good. That is the hack. Don't go away from onion because of the smell. You just have to use citrus, then the smell is gone. Look at this gorgeous butter. This butter, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week to moisturize your hair. You can also use it on your scalp because onion is good for also for the scalp and on the hair. And don't forget the edges and the baby hairs. So that is this one will stay for me alone like maybe 1 or 2 months, I don't know, something like that. Okay, and you can also put it in the fridge so that it can stay long, because it's only oil, it's not water inside, so then it's good, it can stay long. This one we don't need preservative. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please if you are new in my channel, just subscribe to support me, to encourage me to continue and give you some tips and hack for hair grow and make video. Okay, so like the video, share it and comment. Like is very good, sharing also very good. Okay, thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, don't mélange encore plus. baby.